This is Parami, Parami. It's originally from India and Malaysia. This is my first time going to have a Parami. So this one is about 19 pounds, and it's considered the smaller ones. And see, this is very sticky, and this is stick out. So I'm going to wave glove to cut this open to see what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to cut this. I never cut this before, so let's see. Oh, it's hard to cut. So hard. Oh my god, it's hard. Okay, try this side. It's really hard to cut. Okay. Oh my god, what is So this one is very hard to cut it out, so I'm going to cut this side too. Seems like it's impossible to cut it through. It seems like it's impossible to cut it through because of the stem here. So I'm going to cut this way and see if I can cut it. Okay, so seems like it's extremely difficult to cut. So I'm going to cut this into small pieces, just one small pieces at a time. Hello? 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 Ooh. It is still very difficult. Oh my god, it's extremely difficult to open this. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to make it into even smaller pieces. This part should be out. Okay, so this is the thing. And this is the C. Okay. The C is about, each C is about this big. Here's one more. I cut it into two halves, so together is like this. And let's see what's inside. That's it. So I'm going to see what it tastes like. It's really good. It has the flowery smell. And it's not sweet. Yeah, it's good. Okay, that's good. That's it for now.